Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to show you how to shape and fill the yeast dough which we have made earlier. If you haven't seen that video, please check that out. I have added a link to it. You can fill that dough with any kind of savory and sweet filling of your choice. But today I am going to fill up with simple cheese filling and few with cheese and zaatar filling. These small buns are called Fatayers across Middle East, so let's begin. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface and take out that proofed dough. As you can see that it is very soft and pliable. You don't have to punch the dough down because otherwise gluten will develop and it will become very tough and difficult to roll out. Now dust the top with a little more flour so that it does not stick to the rolling pin. Roll approximately 1/4 of an inch thick. And then take any round cookie cutter around 2 inches in diameter and cut circles. Pull out the excess dough out and save for later. You can use it for any kind of filling of your choice. Set these circles aside and cover them with a wet cloth. Now take one piece and with the help of your hand make it a little wider and thinner. If you want, you can use rolling pin also. Dab with little water on the side and now add cream cheese triangle. You can use any one of your favorite brand. Now pinch from the pointed side first and then join other two sides also and pinch all of them together. Now let's do it one more time. Pinch this side and then bring other two sides together and pinch all of them. Now let's make a square shape. Same way like we did earlier, thin out dough and apply water. Add cream cheese, but this time I'm using a cube shape. First pinch these two sides together and then the other two sides. It becomes a square. Now let's do it one more time. First pinch these two sides and then the other two sides. Pinch all sides tightly so that when we bake they don't open. Now let's fill them up with some zaatar filling. For that, take some shredded mozzarella cheese and add 1/4 cup zaatar mix. You can find that from any grocery store. Mix it up And now we add some crushed black pepper and some salt. Stir and keep that aside. Now take a piece of your dough and pat into an oval. Apply some water on the sides and add zaatar and cheese filling. Press these two sides first on the other side and then take the other two and overlap them. Pinch both sides tightly then. Yeah, that's it. It's a pie. Now let's make another one again. Pat. Apply a little water. First press these two sides like that and then the other like that. That's it. Place them on a baking tray and let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes and cover them with a wet napkin so that they don't get dried. Meanwhile, you turn on your oven at 190 degrees. Now let's make an egg wash. Take an egg and add 2 tablespoons of water and mix nicely. If you feel that it's still thick, add a little bit more water. "20 minutes are gone and let's check now our fatayers. As you can see, they are a little puffed up. Brush them with egg wash. Cover all sides nicely. At this stage, you can add olives or tomatoes or herbs, anything you want. It's your own choice. Now bake them in preheated oven at 190 degrees until golden brown. It will take around 12 to 15 minutes, not more. Dish them out and enjoy them with tea or coffee. They are delicious on their own, soft and cheesy. Yum. In my next video, we are gonna make feta cheese fatayers. They are also very delicious and irresistible. So don't miss them out. See you then. Bye-bye.